Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in a today's session I will explain you how to give the Microsoft certified exam on Pearson VUE this application. So basically friends, when you schedule your Microsoft certification exam on a Pearson VUE this application, so basically for that we need to follow some steps. So before the examination we need to test your system, then we need to complete the identification and what type of preparation required. So in this video I will explain you complete the step for that. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the session. Write the step in a different seven type. So step number one, open email received from the person view this platform. You need to read all the instruction and important tip from that mail. Then test your system requirement. After that you need to configure on view this application and complete the system test. So basically on view this application useful for your examination, your exam conducted using this on view this application. So for that we need step number 4. The step number 5, before the test day, so we need to check. So basically before the examination we need to some system test. So what are the system test I will explain you in step number 5. Number 6, on exam day, so on the exam day we need to complete 5 identification step. So I will explain you in the step number 6. Then step number 7, read the instruction and then you can start your examination. One, step number 2 and step number 3 I'm explaining in this slide. So basically once you receive the mail from the person view this platform, then in that mail you have the confirmation detail about your examination. Then you can read all the instruction and important tips. So basically we forgot to read the instruction and we done some mistake. So please avoid this mistake. Then step number 3, test your system requirement. So we can need to test your system. So I will explain you the next slide. So friends, when you schedule your Microsoft examination, then you will receive the one mail. So this mail come from the person view this platform. So this is a confirmation mail about your examination. So in this mail you can check the different information, and you can also check the detail about the examination. So it will be also give you the some detail about your the testing space and your the acceptable ID, then your testing space and system test. So basically you need to read all the instruction and you can prepare accordingly. In a below you can check the appointment detail. So basically it will be included your exam, then candidate ID, registration ID, then date and timing for the examination and appointment length. So basically the appointment is the 120 minute, and you the timing should be, you can check the timing with the Indian timing. So after that below that there is a system test and exam check-in. So basically checking in a 30-minute pair of the appointment timing. So you can also check that detail. Then reschedule policy and cancellation policy. So if you're planning for the reschedule exam or cancel any exam, so it should be 24 hours 24 hours before the scheduled exam. So you can also note this. Once you check all the detail, then you can scroll down and below you can check there is the test your system. So click on the link, then you will redirect to the OnVue this platform. So here we need check. Once you completed all this check, then you can click on the next. Then in the next you need to provide the access code. So basically this is the unique access code. So after that you need to download OnVue this application. So basically this application is useful for your examination. So once you downloaded application, then the step number 3, run the OnVue. So I will explain in the next slide. So step number 4, configure the OnVue and complete the system test. So previously I explained you how we can download the OnVue this application. In this slide I will explain you configuration and system test for this application. So for the installation, right click on the OnVue this application, then run in the administrator mode. So it will be open the OnVue this application interface. So in this, confirm your the access code. So basically you need to provide your access code. So you can copy the access code, then paste the access code here, then click on the next. So in the next, it will be
Hello,
so first of all,
hello, hello.
then you can also confirm your speaker, then your webcam. Then click on the next. So next is the system test for the network check. So basically you need to stable internet connection during the examination. So this system test will also check your internet connection. The If you have the proper internet connection, then it will be completed successfully. So it will be take some time. Once the network connection network check completed, then click on the next. The next, the exam simulation. So the whatever the required the file required for the examination, it will be downloaded and installed in your system. So it will also take some time, and it depend on your internet connection. So once it completed, then you need to click on the next. So now your exam is ready. So in this system test, you need to check your secure browser test. So basically you need to read all the instruction. So you need to close all Windows application during the examination, and also you need to monitor is only one monitor allowed. Then the in a next, you need to you don't use the corporate network or VPN connection during the examination. Then the third is the test. So basically this will test your if any harmful application installed in your system, like the remote text application, for example AnyDex or TeamViewer. So if you install this application, then you need to uninstall this application. So this system test will check the whatever the application harmful application in your system. So in my system there is a no. So I click on the next. In this system test, video streaming check. So basically when your examination, that time you need to enable your video webcam. So for this, you need to check if you see yourself in a video stream, then click on yes. Once you completed this, then click on the next. The system test will launch your simulation. So after the completing this, you will redirect to the exam demo sample question. So basically this is a 10-minute, and this is a system, this is a demo examination. So this will be same as a when you also appear. So once the green tick come, then you have. So basically on exam day you need to check again your system test, and you should bring your acceptable government ID proof. So those detail I will explain you in the next slide. So step number 5, before the test day, we need to some check. So in that, run the system test, then choose your testing space, then get your ID ready. So basically, this is the three type of test we need to before the test day. So we'll check in this slide. For that, you need to open the email that we received from the OnVue this platform. Then click on the acceptable ID. Then you will redirect to the person view this platform. So here you can check before the test day. We need to run a system test. Then choose your testing space. Then get your ID ready. So click on the test space. The basically the environment where you give the examination. So you can read all the instruction that we give. So basically the testing phase will be private. Then quiet background, there is a no noise from the background. Then free from the interruption. Then 1 feet gadget you can also keep away during the examination. So you can read all the instruction, and you can prepare accordingly your testing phase. So basically this is the required during the examination. Maybe examiner ask you for the show your testing phase, then you need to show your testing phase. So check in before the 30 minutes. So you should also check this one. The next one, your acceptable ID. So basically this is the ID that you need to show on examination day. So basically this is the ID card provided by the government authority. So you can check the all the instruction given. I have also give the link for that, so you can also check in that link and you can check all the detail. So basically acceptable ID card, international travels passport, then you need to show your the Aadhaar card, then for the driving license also you can view. For the Aadhaar card you need to some the Aadhaar card policy, you can click on that. So you can check the whatever the Aadhaar card policy for the person view this application. So basically it will be showing that your first name and last name which will be match your the registration, means whenever you done the registration for this examination, so your first name and last name should be matched with that. So your photo identity also required. Step number 6 on exam day, so means before the examination we need to check some detail. So basically complete the 5-step identification using the mobile. So basically the start the examination you need to show the 5-step identification using the mobile. So I will explain you in this slide how we can give the identification using the mobile. So in that, first of all, take your photo, then provide your ID detail, then take your picture for the testing space. Then in that you need to provide the picture for the front side view, back side view, then left side view and right side view for your testing space. On exam the check-in to start the exam, so it will be begin with 30 minutes. So if you can also click there and you can start your examination. Then on second option is there, you can log in your Microsoft account and you can go for the credential and certification part. So you can check the upcoming the examination. So once you click on the link, you will redirect to the Pearson VUE this platform. So there you should, if you install your OnVue this, then you will first check your basic system test, and then you will ask for the access code, or it will be to fill the access code. Then this is the first window. So in this we need to provide the mobile check. So for that there is a 3 option on QR code, then using the web browser. So in that first step you need to take your photo yourself. Then the second step, provide your ID detail like driving license. Then you need to provide your photo of your the identity proof. Then in a third step, take your picture for your testing space, basically the front end, back end, left side, right side of your testing space. So like that. So you can should also prepare your testing space accordingly. So in the next, after that you need to finish your mobile authentication, and then you can refresh. After the refresh you should be exam rule reminder, you can also read the exam. So then you need to read the instruction and then start your examination. So that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and family member, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy learning.